Hey, so I wanted to give you guys a look at the newest tool to help you generate awesome prompts for your AI chat agents. Now, this is a app that integrates directly into your HighLevel agency account and sub accounts that you can access directly in HighLevel, so that your clients can access it, can generate awesome prompts, test them directly there, and easily deploy them without having to go in and edit custom values. So once you download the app, it's going to appear here as the prompt generator in your menu links. It'll open up this app here, white label options coming in the future, but for now it's gray labeled here with this sort of look and feel. Now, this does assume that you have the ZappyChat snapshot loaded in so that those custom values are present, because that's the way that the prompt gets deployed and the way that the prompt actually gets used. But let's just do a quick walkthrough on what it looks like to use the prompt generator here. So first of all, you can select the calendar that you are wanting the AI to book into that will update the custom value with that calendar ID. This demo account here only has a single calendar, so click on that and heading into create and test. I'm going to use ChatGPT here and go ahead and create my prompt. So once I click that, it's going to activate the prompt generator bot here, and it's going to get us started asking us a few questions. So let's go ahead and create a sales rep here. And so it's going to ask questions specifically about your business use case, as well as instructions for the AI through there. So what's the main objective you want to achieve? Any specific tasks or problems? And so I'm going to say the AI should, let's go with a legal example. So the AI should determine the date of the incident, the jurisdiction that it occurred in, and if a specific court date has been set, and then book a consultation with the attorney. So just laying out a sort of qualification flow that we want the AI to go through before booking a consultation call. Let's discuss the rules. Are there any specific guidelines? Formal or informal language. AI should be professional in its tone, but still conversational. AI should try to match the tone of the contact while remaining positive and helpful. Yep, that feels pretty good there. So obviously you can go back and forth, and later on as you test it, you can actually make updates to it and give it feedback while you are testing. So could you outline the steps? And so first, determine what type of incident the contact is reaching out about. Then determine the date of the incident, the jurisdiction it occurred in. Sorry, you guys are getting my poor typing here. Lastly, the court date, if it has been set, then book a consultation with the attorney. So a little bit of a longer qualification flow, although I guess not that crazy. And so what context? This is a criminal defense attorney, specifically helping those with DUIs and misdemeanors. So we'll see what the AI has for us here. Okay, so it's going to go ahead and generate a prompt for us. And so you can inspect this prompt as the next step to actually read and look at it. And so you could regenerate a new one or inspect it. I'm going to inspect, and so you can read through it, see if anything is out of whack, anything that you want to adjust there, and can go back and adjust it, or you can head right into testing. So if you click testing, it's going to go ahead and go, let's see, hello, thanks for reaching out. Could you please tell me what type of incident you're contacting about? And so let's say, okay, I don't want it to say, for example, so I'm going to give it a thumbs down here and can actually give it feedback on the response. And so I'm going to say, do not give an example of what type of case they are reaching out about. And I'm realizing that I should have said case instead of incident, but don't sue me. I am not an attorney. Okay, hello, thanks for reaching out. What's up here? We got DUI last summer. And so from here, it was July 24. And so you can test out the prompt here, giving it feedback from, giving it feedback at any time. So I could say instead, don't thank the user every message. Give it a little more feedback on this. And so it should regenerate my response there. And so instead, it's just going to say, what's jurisdiction to the, it was in Virginia. And so we can go back and forth like this. And so once you're feeling good about it, you can actually go ahead and just do a one-click deploy. You can see it's moving on to the booking instance from there. But by clicking deploy, it's going to regenerate the prompt, drop it directly into the custom value, as well as update the calendar ID in that custom value. So now you can click go back home. It'll take you back to the prompt generator, but if you go check your settings and your custom values, you're going to see that those custom values got updated with the relevant information, the prompt that was used in that test there, as well as the calendar ID up here. So that's a new tool that you can use for your clients, giving them the power to better generate and test their own prompts, all within your white labeled HighLevel.